Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm going to guide you through a simple installation of the LTE add-on modem. For this, you're going to need a nano SIM card, your LTE antennas, and your add-on modem. Before getting started, it's important to keep Esd Safety in mind. I'm using a Esd mat, and I'm grounded to keep our hardware safe. The first step in the setup is to slot the nano SIM card into the modem, as I'll demonstrate now. Slide the card into the slot as demonstrated until you hear the click. If you ever need to swap or remove the SIM, just push on it and it should pop right out. After installing the SIM, the next step is to install the LTE antennas onto the board. These antennas plug in on these little circular connectors that are on the front side of the board. As you can see, there are two on the right side. Make sure to use the bottom one, as the top is reserved for future GPS antenna use. If you're using the V1 LTE modem, the antenna connector locations are as follows on the left side of the board. Push the antenna onto the connector until it snaps into place. Next, connect the modem to your VOXL or VOXL Flight using the black J13 connector. Next, plug Voxel into your computer using the USB slot at the bottom. Go ahead and plug power back into your Voxel, and I'll meet you on the computer for the software installation. Here we are on Ubuntu version 18.4.5. On the right side, I have the LTE Modem Quickstart open, which has all the information you'll need for the software setup. The first step is to open a new terminal window and to make sure that your software is up to date. Type in ADB shell voxel-version to check your system image version. If you scroll up to the top a little bit next to system image, you'll see the current version that you're using. Make sure this is above the required version. If not, check out our quick start on how to update the version. To check your Voxel modem version, go ahead and open up your ADB shell and type what I put up on screen to check the versions of your different packages. This will open up a list of all the Voxel utilities that are installed with their versions as well. So double check and make sure that your Voxel modem version is up to date. Next, you'll want to type in voxel-configure-modem, which will open up the modem configuring utility. The utility will prompt you to enter in the version of the modem that you're using, as well as whether you're connecting to ModalLink. The utility will prompt you to enter in your carrier's access point number, or APN. The utility will list some of the common ones that you can use, but if you're not sure, it's best that you double check with your cellular carrier and they'll provide you with the correct one. The utility will ask you to input your region, and then from there it'll do a brief setup. A Voxel modem service will now be enabled and started in the background, allowing the Voxel to connect to the cellular network at boot up. This service can be disabled at any time by running systemctl space disable voxel-modem and re-enabled by running systemctl enable voxel-modem. If you ever need to change the SIM or the modem, just rerun the modem utility to configure. You should be all set up from there. If you have any further questions, make sure to check out the documentation at docs.modalai.com, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.